Someone has rightly said that don't fear difficult topics, but fear never starting them. So today, in this lecture, we are going to understand the notification UI node. So we'll take a button and the notification node. Let's assign them a group. So whatever you write in your payload will be shown on your notification. Payload and topic both will be shown. So it's your choice what you want to write. So this is my pop-up. So now the notification will be shown on the top right corner of my dashboard. So let's first try this one. This is my button. So you see a system warning on the top right corner. You can also change the color of your border. So let's say green. You can set the topic from here also. Now let's select the second one, bottom right. So you can see this is the pop-up. And there is a timeout second, 3 second is set. You can also change it. Now check the fourth one. Okay, cancel dialog. And you can also change what is the shown will be to what will be shown to the user. Also, you can see that there is an output that can be connected to this node. So let's see what comes in this. So as the user is clicking OK, we are getting OK. And we can also get the input from the user with this option. Let's say this I pressed and I am writing my name. So you see that are taking input from the user. So this can be used to get user credentials. If you don't want any user to get make changes in your dashboard, you can use the this notification node as a locker. Like you first enter your user ID, then enter your password. If it is matching in my records, then you can enter this. Otherwise, pop-up will be shown every time you enter the dashboard. So this is how the notification works, and it is most useful when you are working with the automation systems like PLCs and you are getting an error from the PLC or any error, any type of error in your data that you want to show to the user. So you can use the notification mode there. So keep practicing and remember the journey to mastery begins with consistent practice. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next one.